Hey guys, JP here with J.P.BBQ, bringing you a video this weekend, and this weekend I'm doing an unboxing video. But before I get this box unboxed, I just want to say thanks for tuning into my channel and watching my videos. To my subscribers, I want to say thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, and also to the viewers that watch my video, hit that subscribe button. You know, I would really appreciate it, if you take it into consideration. But besides that, let me take you into this unboxing video and show you what we got. And put this all over. That for a friend. And this chicken has turned out really good. It looks good. It's on some of these thighs, and maybe put them in the this is good taco right here. This is Okay, a couple of weeks ago, my brother reached out to me and said, hey bro, they got a company out here in Texas that makes this fantastic barbecue sauce and barbecue rub, and it's really good. You should reach out to them and see what they say. So I did, and the name of the company is called Chupacabra. Okay, well actually the name of the company is called Two Gringos Chupacabra chips. And they're Chupalicious. So this is a video. I'm gonna unbox this. I reached out to the company and I asked them, hey, send me some stuff. I would really like to do a video on some of your products. Let's try them out. So here we go. We're gonna take our nice little fancy knife, open this box up and see what they sent us, and hopefully they sent us something nice. So maybe in the upcoming weeks, I'll make you guys a nice little video and see what this barbecue rub and sauce is all about. And I'm saying it's rub and sauce. Hey, they could have sent something else. They could have sent a bunch of hats and t-shirts, but we'll see what they sent us. At least it was nice of them to respond back and say, hey, here you go, man. Have fun with it. Let's watch what we got. All right, here we go. Hope I don't cut myself. Whatever they sent me, it got some weight to it. So, let's see. All right, here we go. I have a bunch of styrofoam popcorn. No, kidding. All right. Well, I do have that, but let's see this. Oh my goodness, boy, this is a nice big bottle. No MSGs, you see that? Two Gringos Chupacabra rub, a fine meat rub and season all. Okay, Texan company. And look at that, they got the little fish right there. So that tells me, hey, these guys are good religious Christian people. Okay, Chupalicious. So, season for all. Steaks, chicken fajitas, wild game, all right, vegetables and fish. So, all right. Number one thing they sent me. Okay, let's see what else we got. All right, Two Gringos Chupacabra Chuckalicious. All right, so this is like, not sure. Is it for chicken or something? Chuckalicious, I'm assuming it's for chicken because chucka. All right, cool. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man, I was not expecting that. Now that is cool. Okay, I got me a nice little koozie for my beer. Right on. Thank you, sir or ma'am. Oh, I got another one. Camo, that's even cool. I got some, there's a third one, a pink one. Well, might have to give that to my wife or something, but cool, pink. I got 3 koozies. And there's more stuff down here. Holy crap. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting this big bottle. Man, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I am going to try to make you guys some really nice videos and hope to make you guys proud. Thank you for a big bottle. Appreciate that. All right. Here we go. Chupacabra Cajun blend. Okay, all right, I like that. Need some Cajun seasoning. And, oh wow, here's another big one. Brisket magic, Chupacabra brisket magic. Now this is too cool. This company that's called Two Gringos Chupacabra, company out from Texas sent me some stuff. Here's right here, brisket magic. Okay, I can't wait to try this out. I like making brisket, but we're gonna give this a try. See what it's all about. Brisket magic. Chupacabra, a fine meat, a season all Chupalicious. This is good. It says for steaks, chicken, fajitas, wild game, vegetables, and fish. So that is too cool. I'm telling you, man, these guys are awesome. They sent me this stuff. I am gonna have to make some really good videos. Okay. Chupacabra Cajun blend. See what that's all about. How y'all are. That's pretty cool. They got a nice, I'm telling you, man, barbecue people, we make some nice logos, man. That is a cool logo. Here's some more fine meat rub and Chuckalicious. Okay, I'm thinking that this is for like chicken or something, but we're gonna give it a try. And they sent me these koozies, man. This is awesome. I like koozies. That is just awesome. Thank you very much for trusting in me and sending me these things. I'm gonna try to make you guys some really nice videos, and hope you guys like them. And hopefully we form a nice long relationship. But besides that, guys, I just wanted to do this unboxing, show you the things that they sent me, and that's really about it. Okay. In the upcoming weeks, I'm gonna make a video on each one of these rubs, try them out, get some brisket, get some ribs, get some chicken, maybe a picnic shoulder, pulled pork, and so forth, and try out their rub. And but besides that, thank you very much for watching my videos. Thanks to all my subscribers. If you have not subscribed and you're just a viewer, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it if you could take it into consideration. And that's all. You guys take care. Have a wonderful day, and I appreciate it.